Realme has been in the spotlight recently due to recent revelations of the Realme 9 Pro series smartphones and its upcoming event at MWC 2022. At this stage, the brand will reveal a new groundbreaking charging technology and the global Realme GT2 series. However, Realme has a huge portfolio of products to come, and it will certainly be in the headlines for a long time. From the Realme GT Neo 3 series to the mid-range Realme V25, the brand is preparing a new set of smartphones for the market in 2022. Today, the company's CMO has shared a few details about the Realme V25. For you, my viewers, there's one request: watch the video to the end, and leave a small comment under the video. Apparently, Realme is gearing up to launch a new device for its mid-range 5G lineup. The Realme V15 5G was unveiled last January, and the family is about to get a Realme V25 model. According to Realme CMO Mr. Zukai Chase, the V25 will be the first to feature some of the company's new technologies. Unfortunately, the CMO didn't get into the details about this new technology. He didn't divulge anything else about the upcoming mid-range device. However, a Realme smartphone bearing the model code RMX3475 got TENAA certification last month. The device is said to be the Realme V25. And if that is the case, we're going to see a smartphone with a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus TFT display. Moreover, it will bring a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and a battery with a rated capacity of 4880 mAh. The processor probably brings 5G connectivity. After all, if the V15 has 5G, the other probably has it as well. The rated capacity is 4880 mAh, so we assume the device's typical battery capacity is 5000 mAh. The Realme V25 will come in 3 RAM variants with 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB. Furthermore, when it comes to storage, the device has just 2 variants, 128GB and 256GB of internal storage. The handset will also get a microSD decoded card slot. In terms of optics, the Realme V25 will bring a triple camera setup to the rear. It consists of one 64-megapixel main camera and two 2-megapixel snappers. For selfies and video calls, the device has a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. The handset will support 5G networks and feature a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication. The RMX3475 will be 8.5mm thick, weighs 195 grams, and will come in 3 distinct colorways. Thanks for watching, see you soon.